Hi, friends. We are going to take up a very unique subject this morning, a fascinating subject, a subject which is so close to our hearts, and it is immaterial. Whether its applicability is in personal life or the professional life, yes, we are talking about the cutting edge. That's something special in you which influence the people, which make the people love you, come closer to you. God has created us different. We are all unique. We are all different. We are all a combination of perfect and imperfect behaviors, and we are all the special edition of the God. सिर्फ एक बार सिर्फ एक बार कोशिश तो करो, सब कुछ हो जाएगा, सब कुछ हो जाएगा यार, थोड़ा सब्र तो करो. The entire world depends upon the process of influencing, making impact, and winning heart of others. The entire selection process is keen to identify the key fascinating factors in you, how you influence others, how you create an impact on others' heart. Do you look different in the crowd? Does head turn around when you pass by? Do you carry with you the cutting edge? That hidden differential to make you more attractive, more fascinating, more loving and more fascinating. If we go by the social phenomena, maybe you are kissable, huggable. मिलेंगे लाखों जिंदगी के राह दौर में, मिलेंगे लाखों जिंदगी के राह दौर में, पर मुझ जैसा किसी में ना होगा. Trainers, mentors, and the entire regime of the corporate training is focusing on this single factor, the process to reinvent, rediscover the winner in you, and to activate the leadership process. Let us look at some of the vital factors. Put smile on your face and look cheerful to the others. A loving, smiling face attracts the million ships. And otherwise it is also important. If you have a frown, if you have the anger on your face, that becomes the reason for the distraction of the people. Do not be a complainer or nag on irrelevant issues. People do not like those people who have the habit of nagging, cribbing, weeping, accusing. वही दुख दर्द की कयामत ढाते हैं, वही दुख दर्द की कयामत ढाते हैं, जिनसे हम मोहब्बत बेइंतहा कर जाते हैं. Develop good communication skills, make excellent presentation, but be an empathetic listener too. Communication, which I have repeatedly mentioned in my number of classroom situations and in videos, still stand at the number one skill in the world. Your communication chemistry, create that cutting edge, and you are in a position to influence the people. अब तो तेरी बातों में मेरा जिक्र नहीं, अब तो तेरी बातों में मेरा जिक्र नहीं, मेरी बातों में तेरा फिक्र आज भी जारी है. Yes, we are talking about the empathy. How best you are in a process to reprocess the feeling, emotions of the other people. Think positively about others' behavior. The more we think positive about others, more positivity come to your heart also. Be positive yourself. People realize from your behavior, actions, values, body postures that there is a positivity, and the positivity, like a magnet, always attract. Be open to the criticism and have a selfless attitude. The biggest process in the world is that people don't want to receive the feedback. And I have seen it happening in my classroom situation whenever a positive feedback is given. While it is accepted with a wholeheartedly, but the moment we give the negative feedback, most of the people have the tendency to reject it. Very strange. If you won't accept the negative feedback, how you are going to develop yourself? Have empathy and the helpful nature. If we are there to offer a shoulder to anyone who laugh and leap, then of course people come closer to you. हम भी आजकल चुप चुप रहते हैं हम भी आजकल चुप चुप रहते हैं जब से तूने मेरी खामोशियों को पढ़ना सीख लिया Make other people important. Now this is very important, If you give the importance to the other people, genuine feeling to make them feel proud of themselves, the single factor bring large number of the people closer to you. In fact, in my classroom situation, I make every person feel so important and they get attached to me. And toward the end of the training, when I say, well, gentlemen, it is over, and one of the ladies stands and say, Sir ji, ye dil mange more. Now this is the feedback that they still want to be with you. Cultivate ideas and be a good learner. I think learning is an endless process. You keep on learning. I share a small thing with you. The people feel that I have come in the classroom to train you and they learn from the one person, but they don't know. I learn from the 18 or the 20 people sitting across me in the classroom situation. Celebrate success at every milestone by involving all. Throwing a little party, a get-together, to create the happy moments where you can just enjoy the food, your drinks. I feel small successes must be celebrated. छू ना सको आसमान तो परेशान न होना छू ना सको आसमान तो परेशान न होना मिलो कभी हमसे छोड़ो आसमानों को दिलों को छूने का सलीका हमने भी सिखा देंगे दिलों को छूने का सलीका हम भी सिखा देंगे तू पकड़ के हाथ साथ मेरा देना तू पकड़ के हाथ साथ मेरा देना हम मिल के रूठे रब को मना लेंगे Have a good sense of humor and learn to laugh at yourself sometime. I think this is one of the very important because I incidentally asked in a social program what kind of the husband you aspire for. And the ladies say all things beside, he must be in a position to make me laugh. Have a good sense of humor and learn to laugh at yourself. Laughing at yourself is one of the very, very important. Most of the people have the tendency to scoff at us, scoff at others, put the sarcasm on the people. But laughing at yourself is an art and a science. Adopt flexibility in your approach and attitude. Stop being rigid. The single factor of rigidity disattract people from you. And if this behavior continues over a long period of time, people will invariably carry on to stay with you. Adopt a culture of attitude of gratitude. The more we express thanks, more we express gratitude for the other people's contribution in our life. That's really great. Be motivated and be a source of inspiration to others. Self-motivation is very important, but then we must ensure that you are always inspiring others. The more people you inspire, the more people come closer to you. Put up a good appearance, nice look, attractive, so the people can move toward you. कुछ बात तो है मुझ में जो आप बार बार आते हो. कुछ बात तो है मुझ में जो आप बार बार आते हो. मना लाख करता हूँ, फिर भी प्यार से मुझे छू जाते हो. Have regard and respect for other people. Very important. Respect and regard is not a transaction, it is not a deal, it is a feel. The more you give, the more it comes back to you. Keep your ego in the backyard, a very important factor, because most of the reasons of fracturing of the relationship goes to the ego. कितनी ही मोहब्बतें, कितने ही रिश्ते तमाम हुए इस सहम की वजह से. कितनी ही मोहब्बतें, कितने ही रिश्ते तमाम हुए इस सहम की वजह से. बस दो लोग यही कहते रहे, मैं ठीक तू गलत, और पहले बात कौन करेगा. Do not make mountain from the insignificant mole. ये राई का पहाड़ बनाना बंद कीजिए. जितने आप राई के पहाड़ बनाएंगे उतने ही लोग आपसे दूर चले जाएंगे. Have a big heart. Keep the volume and the diameter of the heart so big that you can accommodate many people in it. Learn to forgive instead of revenge. माफ़ कीजिए. जीसस क्राइस्ट ने भी कहा कि दुनिया में सबसे बड़ी अगर कोई उपलब्धि है जिस दिन आप दूसरे को माफ़ करना सीख जाते हैं. Take first step in developing interpersonal relationship. You always put your hand forward to hold somebody else's hand. You can develop excellent interpersonal relationships if you are taking the initiative. Learn to nurture the relationship. Maybe few, but maintain them. थोड़े ही रिश्ते बनाइए, थोड़े ही रिश्ते बनाइए, पर यार उसे प्यार से तो निभाइए. रिश्तों की अहमियत वही समझते हैं जिनके रिश्ते बार बार नाकामयाब हो जाते हैं. If you feel you can add to these parameters, it will be good for my article, my presentation. So gentlemen, in the brief, I think we have discussed about various factors which makes you more attractive, which makes you more fascinating, and you are in a position to act more and more people toward you. In our management parlance, we call it ability to influence. This is one single factor which helps you to emerge as a leader. कुछ बात तो है मुझ में जो लोग मोहब्बत बेइंतहा करते हैं. कुछ बात तो है मुझ में जो लोग मोहब्बत बेइंतहा करते हैं. मैं तो बस कविता हूँ, मैं तो बस कविता करता हूँ, वो प्यार बेवजह करते हैं. Thank you friends for being with me. Try some of these factors in your personal life, and I assure you, you'll be able to develop the excellent interpersonal relationships. I did it. I did it for decades in my classroom situation and outside the classroom situations. And I don't claim that I am perfect. We are the combination of imperfections. And last line I would like to say, I have never come across a perfect person in my life, whether in the classroom or outside. So accept people as they are. Accept them with all the blemishes, imperfections. जिंदगी की दौड़ में भीड़ को इकट्ठा करने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं, बस कुछ लोग साथ होने चाहिए मोहब्बत निभाने के लिए। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर बीइंग विद मी।